Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Final Cut Pro Cloud, collaborate on video editing step by step clearly. To log into Final Cut Pro Cloud, begin by opening the application on your device. Once the application launches, you will be greeted by the welcome screen. Locate the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. Enter your Apple ID and password in the designated fields. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you've successfully entered your information, click the Sign In button again. After logging in, you will be directed to your Final Cut Pro Cloud dashboard. Here, you will see your existing projects and any shared projects from collaborators. To begin collaborating, select the project you wish to work on. If prompted, ensure you grant any necessary permissions for accessing media and edits. You will now be able to see updates made by collaborators in real time. Feel free to start editing, adding clips, and making changes to the project. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. If you need to log out, simply click on your profile icon and select Sign Out. That's how you log into Final Cut Pro Cloud and start. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.